Hey guys, welcome everyone. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. I am going to share my screen here. All right. Hey Dean, welcome Dean, welcome. Hey Tylak, welcome Tylak,
Hey,
welcome.
David.
Hello, hello. Hey Bruce, welcome Bruce, welcome.
Hello.
Hey, hey Solomon, welcome Solomon. All right, guys, welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome. All right. All right. Hold on one second. All right, back to work. Back to work. All right, let's go over the
Welcome.
markets. As you guys know, we had some buy-in that came in on Thursday and Friday. All right. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty. So some buying came in on Friday. I wanted to show you guys that. All right. So we had some unexpected buy-in, right? Came in um, on Thursday and Friday, I believe. And we've got a green candle, guys. So a green candle. All right. We had a sell signal, red candles, got a green candle here on Friday. All right. So we want to pay attention to that. We do not have a buy signal in equities, but we do have a green candle. That's on the S&P. Same thing on the Russell here. All right, so green candles coming in. We're above previous resistance, became support. Now, guess what? Right, we're above that support line, and it's looking better. Right, market's improving. All right, but again, no buy signals yet. All right, very, very choppy. Markets are very choppy here on the Nasdaq green candle here. So you guys should have seen some movement in your stocks, right? On Friday, Thursday and Friday. Okay. All right. So this green candle here is right above that previous resistance, right? Support right here. This line right here broke above it, closed above it. So that's encouraging. All right. The Nasdaq, I'm sorry, the Dow, we do not have a buy signal yet on the Dow. All right. But we did get a white candle on the Dow on Friday. All right, so, all right here, right, white candle. If we draw in support and resistance here, you guys will notice there is resistance here, and we are back in the box, right? All right. Hey, Mary, welcome, Mary, welcome. All right, so here is support right here. All right. And we've got some changes, guys. We're going to go through some changes that we are making, especially with Sniper Trader. Hey, Bill, welcome. Bill, welcome. All right. So, guys, we are back in the box here. This is on the Dow. Okay. So we'll assume that we'll look to start testing, right? Moving higher, start testing resistance. So that is encouraging for the market, for the equity markets. Okay. So, and you guys notice that things move quickly. I know we talk about this all the time, but last week was, week before last was very bearish. And then things opened up and it's looking better, right? The VIX came down. Look at this. So the VIX is down back at below 20 and at 18, right? 1849. Okay, so we'll look to see if the VIX can finally, I'll leave this here, this support line here. So let's see if we could break support for the VIX convincingly, right? But we need the VIX to move lower if we need the equity markets to move higher, okay? All the sectors are still down, all right? The sectors are still down. Crude oil try to make a move, but for the most part, the sectors are down overall. All right, overall. As we go through this, guys, we're doing things differently. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, just shout it out. I do want to go through the markets, all right, and then we'll go over some picks from last week, and then we'll look for some new opportunities. Okay, this week, and we want to do that every evening. Okay, every evening. Um, I've been getting a lot of questions. I know Solomon and I spoke about this on Friday, um, about the condition of the market. Keep in mind, a lot of times when we trade, and things, the markets don't go our way, we think it's where we've done something wrong, right? Or even the systems, right? And I talk to you guys all the time. Sometimes it's not our fault, right? And we just have to keep that in mind, all right? We do need these markets to cooperate. We do need the markets to cooperate. Now, we can't just, hold off and not trade, right? I mean, if we did that, we're not traders, right? So we still have to try to ink out some trades, get some profits, right? Even when the markets are not really cooperating. And what I want to show you guys is this. And Solomon and we went through this during our coaching, one-on-one coaching on Friday. And we looked at this here. I want to show you guys what's going on with the Dow on the weekly time frame. Now, this is the Dow on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is the all-time highs right here. This is the all-time highs right up here. Okay. Now we're not far from the all-time highs, but what I want to show you guys is this. If you guys look here, from here, right here, all right, when the consolidation start, when the sell signal start from this, right, from this markup phase, when the sell signal came in, okay, on the weekly time frame, guys, we've been consolidating since then, and that's over a year. That was, let's see here, that February of 2022 to now. It's been, look at this, up and down, no trend, not like this, nothing like this, right? Nothing like this, right? Nothing like this. All right. So this is the market that we've been trading when it comes to equities. This is it right here. So, if we can try to get some profits, right? Not burn through our capital, kind of trade, just, be disciplined, learn, go through that process. Just understand this is what you guys are dealing with. This is for the last year. All right. So if we can learn through this, trade through this, guess what? When we start trending again, guess what? You will do much better, right? Now, the good thing is, right? I want to show you guys this here. Here is near-term consolidation, near-term support and resistance right here. Let's move that up a bit here. Let's remove this. So for a whole year, guys, we've been consolidating. All right. Now, if the Dow, this is the Dow now, right? This is the Dow. All right. So here we are. We held support. The Dow held support last week, right here. Held support, big white candle. If we can get continued buy-in to come in, this is your consolidation right here. Near-term consolidate. Here is resistance right here. Resistance right here. If we can break through that resistance, which is 34,601, guess what? We could start testing this resistance. And we're not far from, it's not really a resistance, it's an all-time high. All right, which is right here. This is how close we are to the all-time high. And if we can break that all-time high, right, start trending again, get a buy signal, we can start seeing some good price action like this. But we've got to get out of this consolidation in here. All right, so just keep in mind, we always need to know the condition of the markets that we're in, right? And currently in the equity markets, we are consolidating, guys. We're not trending. Right, we're consolidating, we're not trending. So I wanted to show you guys this. And I know we always look at the monthly time time frame on the Dow, but I wanted to show weekly time frame. All right, weekly time frame. Show you guys, right? A lot of consolidation. But the good news is, if we held support, start testing resistance. Hopefully, we can start um, looking to break out. Okay, but guys, we can last like this another year, right? We never know. All right. Okay, so good. All right. Any questions on this? Any questions on this? Any questions on this? Any questions on this? Okay. All right. The dollar, we're still waiting for a buy signal on the dollar. All right. All right. Monster futures tracker. Right. We're still waiting on a buy signal here. We are seeing some moves in the dollar. All right. Markets right now is down. All right. So in the futures, the E-mini, they're all down right now. Not a great deal. Right. I would say down to flat. All right. Cattle is still doing well. Right. That's still holding. That's the best trade right now in the futures market. Right. Bruce, are you still holding on to your cattle trades?
Yep, still holding on.
Good job. Okay, so feeder cattle. I think feeder cattle is doing. I don't know if it's doing better, but I know it's got a nice trend. Just really nice move. That's the best trade right now. All right, so good job, Bruce. Best trade right now. All right, so that's good. Let's see here. All right. I want to go through the sectors. Keep an eye on the sectors tomorrow. All right. Keep an eye on the sectors. We don't have any major sectors moving over here, but I want to show you guys what's happening here. All right. We're getting some green candles. All right. So communication services, we got a green candle on Friday. No buy signal, but keep these green candles. We can start trading on these green candles. All right. Still be careful, but we can look for opportunities because we've got a green candle. We don't have to wait for a buy signal in these sectors. So communication services, consumer discretion, no green candle yet. Got a white candle. Technology, we got a green candle right here. Big green candle here on the technology, right? Trading above previous resistance. Well, right? Support, now resistance. All right. Trading above that. Home builders, green candle here. All right. So that's encouraging. Home construction, green candle, guys. So notice what's happening here. Utilities, nothing here. Real estate, nothing. Silver, nothing, still red. Financials, white candle. All right. Materials, look at that. Look at materials, guys. All right. Look at materials. All right. Biotech, nothing there. So be careful with biotech. Energy, nothing there. Healthcare, nothing there. What's that? Industrial, green candle, right? Green candle here, moving higher. All right. Gold moving higher. No green candle yet. Telecom, nothing there. Consumer staples, nothing there. So we have some sectors with green candles. Okay. We have some sectors with green candles. All right. So seeing some movement with stocks. Let's see here. Monster futures, like I said, right? Feeder cattle, right? That's really what's moving right now. Live cattle. Over here on the short side, now I've had some issues with TradeStation with data. So I don't know if this is really good data here. All right. But that's what the top trade right now, best trade right now, long cattle. Okay, long cattle. Did anyone take that US 30 long trade? US 30 long trade. Did anyone take that trade? Did anyone take that? Did anyone take that? It happened quickly. So if you guys didn't take that trade, that's okay. That's okay. It happened quickly. All right. Especially after some of the failed shorts. All right. So, Bill, you took it. Wow. Good job, Bill. Good job. Good job. Good job. And I am going to assume you got in near the buy signal, Bill. Good job. So, did you get in at or near the buy signal, and are you still in? Just type that in for me, please. Are you still holding it? We've got good. If you look at this is the daily time frame here. All right, the daily time frame here, and it held on the daily time frame, held support, right? Came back, right? And white candle. All right, so hopefully we can get some green candles. If you're still holding it, this on the 60-minute time frame. Watch it closely. You know, the futures are down right now. They're down, but just keep an eye on it. If you're still holding it, watch it on the 60-minute. If you get a white candle, just really pay attention to that. Okay, and as you know, red candle sell signals, get out. Okay, but I would pay close with the futures market down right now. All right, it's not down a lot, but just pay attention. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. This happened quickly. This happened quickly. Okay, so good job capturing that. Okay, and Bill has done really well trading monster future. SP, so the S&P 500, very similar move. All right, the Nasdaq 100, right, right over here, very similar move. Okay, they tend to go together. Bitcoin, we out. Okay, we're out of Bitcoin, guys. All right, we have a sell signal on the 240. All right, sell signal right here. We out. Here it is right here. It's at 22, guys. Remember, 24,000 right here, 24,000. Pretty good resistance, and so far it's failing. We had a white candle that came in. All right, so if it continues to go lower, we could get a red candle like this, and not start, looking to test support down there. Okay, so be careful. We have a sell signal in Bitcoin. We should be out. No sell signal yet on the daily time frame, though. Not on the daily time frame. All right, but on the 240. Okay, 240. We can't mess around with Bitcoin. When we get a sell signal, because it moves fast, we want to be out. Okay, we want to be out. Let's see here. I want to go through. Let's go through Sniper Trader. Sniper Trader, and then we'll take a look at Stock Boss, opportunities in Stock Boss Bullmaster, and then we'll finish with Forex Dominator. All right, Monster Scalper. All right, okay. Any questions for me, guys? If you have any, just shout out. Right, those of you in the studio, just stop me. All right, those of you in the chat, just send a message. Okay. All right. You guys know we're always looking to improve not only the systems but our process, and the goal has always been to everything we do is to reduce risk, maximize opportunities, right? Minimize risk, maximize opportunities. Okay. Everything that we do is to make for there to be more transparency in price, right? Make things more user friendly so that you guys can focus on trading. Now, Sniper Trader, as you guys know, we buy that data. Okay, the data we get on Friday to trade Sniper Trader is we get that data. So we don't have a lot of control with the data that's coming in. All right, we get that data on Friday. You guys know we get that at the end of the day. All right, we get data that the institutions pushing particular stocks on a high volume, and they normally do that at the end of the day on Friday, so that not to alert everyone else, right, in the markets. So we get that data, all right, and now we exit at a Monday, sometimes Tuesday, all right, as you know, um, as volume comes out of those options. Now we've had traders. I know Bill, you've done this in the past, and we have a few more traders. They're not on here. Where if you're savvy, you can actually stay in the trade longer. All right, you can stay in the trade longer and not get out when we get out. Okay, and that usually can you can get some really nice payouts that way, right? The trades can do if they hold, right? Because what's happening with the sniper trader trades is that there's a catalyst, and usually that catalyst lasts longer than that weekend, right? Or even that following week. So what we're going to do moving forward is we'll still give the alerts to get in on Friday, get out on Monday, right? Sometimes we might get out on Tuesday, right? But for those of you who are, a bit more savvy, want to hold on to the trade longer, we are going to allow you guys to hold on to the trade longer, and we'll track those trades through Sniper. All right. Now we won't give you the exit to get out. Okay, you still have to get out, but the fact that we've changed the format for the training, and we're following the trades on a nightly basis. All right, on a nightly basis, we'll review those trades. Okay, so we'll help you guys. I'll help you guys. Hey Zaire, welcome Zaire. Kind of manage those trades. Okay, now right now we've got it on a 60-minute time frame. We'll go back and forth. Okay, so we might go on a put it on a 4-minute time frame, forward time frame rather, or 60. Okay, um, if if it's really moving, we might put it on a daily. All right, but we're gonna look to get more movement. All right, more trades, more opportunity, longer opportunities, right, with Sniper Trader. Okay, but we'll go over the charts, right? So like this one right here, BA, right? Right here's the buy signal, all right, and buy signal right here. We're going long right here. RIG, buy signal right here, and we're looking to break resistance. Hopefully, we'll get a move up, all right, tomorrow. And then this one here, SI, we're going short on that. Okay, so hopefully we can break support. Now, if you guys look here, if we bring it, if we move this to 240, and you guys can do this also, right? You don't have to keep it on a 60. You can move it to a 240 time frame, all right? And with a 240-minute time frame, you guys see here, and there's a reason why these institutions are buying these, right? There's a reason why they're buying these. All right, so if you guys look here, so on BA Boeing, you see here, right? It's breaking resistance, right? Here's all of that consolidation, and we got in on Friday. All right. So the hope is it breaks out of this, right? Breaks out of the box here, right? We get a buy signal. We're already in it from Friday, and hopefully that starts a trend, and we could stay in a bit longer. All right, rather than just getting that pop on Monday. Okay. Same thing here with rig. Oh, hold on. So we're going to try to put this system to work just like we're doing with Forex Dominator, guys.
Hi, David. I had a question.
Someone said something?
Yeah, this is me, Dean.
Hey, Dean, I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. Hold on.
The volume
Can you
is
hear me now?
low. Yeah,
Okay.
much better.
Okay. Yeah, my question is, if you missed the to get in on Friday, is it too late to get in Monday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, can you get no, absolutely not. No.
Okay.
Yeah, Friday, yeah, Friday is the day. If you've missed it on Friday, don't get in. Just wait for the next round, okay?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, because they could gap up. They could gap up in the morning. The goal we want them to gap up, right? Or gap down on Mondays if we're going short. Okay, so yeah, if you missed it, then just hold off. Okay, we'll have more opportunities. Okay, so here is the short here, and this is the 240. The 240, and we'll play with the 240 and the 60. Don't do anything with the 30-minute. Okay, we might, because we're looking to hold on to these longer. So the 240 might be the time frame we stick with. Okay. So here is where it gapped down. So we know sellers are in, right? We get these, right? Like I said, we buy this data. So this is what the institutions are shorting. This is what they're going along with. Okay. So um and I know some of you have done this, right? Some of you, I know Bill have done this for sure. All right. But we have other traders that done really well, okay, doing this. So we'll look to incorporate some of this. Okay. And we'll try to go through those. If they continue to move higher, we'll stay with them. We'll stay with them and kind of track them. Okay. All right. So that's really good news for our sniper traders. Really, really exciting news. And I'm excited about it. I'm excited about it. Okay. Stock boss. We had some opportunities last week, right? We gave out some opportunities in stock boss, 240-minute time frame. Now that the markets are moving, we'll probably get off the 240 and go back to the daily. Okay. CDTX was a peak we had last week. All right. That gap down. Okay. So if anyone got into this, I would say get out. Okay. Did anyone here trading it? CDTX? Did anyone trade it? All right. Did anyone trade it? Okay. I mean, you can stay in it if you want. It still has, right? It gapped down though. That's not good. All right. You might get some buying to come in if the market picks up, but just be careful if you stay in it. All right. Support is right here. It did hold support. All right. White candles are right here. Just be careful. Okay. So we're gonna cross that on our end. We're gonna cross that off the list. Okay. We looked at a few in I think Bullmaster. Let's see here. LAS, LAZR, LAZR. I think that was Stock Boss. All right. That was a pick. All right. It's still holding nicely here. All right. LAZR. So if you guys are in it, all right, still looks good to continue to hold. All right. And then in Bullmaster, we had AXOM in Bullmaster, AXOM. I'm sorry, AXON. AXON. All right. So that's holding nicely right here. Closed at 220, closed at the high. All right. So if you guys are in this, just continue to hold. Buy signal right here, right? It's looking good. With the market improving, we could see a move higher, all right? And we talked about perhaps doing options on those, right? Call options, all right? AXON. So that's continuing to do well. The next one in Bullmaster, SRPT. SRPT. That made a high on Friday, right? So we gave that out on Thursday, right? On Thursday. So this was Thursday's price action here, this candle here, and made a high. Thursday it closed at, what's that? Hold on. Closed at 153, and on Thursday moved up higher, closed at 155 on Friday. Looks good. Buy signal here, right? Nice gap up, really strong stock. All right. So if the market, as the market improves, we could see this move higher. Okay. So those are the picks, and we'll see what else we've got for this evening. Okay. So let's go through Stock Boss. And those of you who are using Heat Seeker, you want to go through your Heat Seeker, okay? That's a nice trade here. All right. So here is one here, MTC. MTC in Stock Boss. All right. At $1.80, $1.81. MTC, $1.81. Financials. We don't care right now. As far, we're just looking for momentum, right? So momentum, we don't care about the sector right now. When the market improves, right, we'll track the sectors more. Okay, all we're looking for is momentum. Here is one here. Okay, PAYO, PAYO. All right, that's $6.84. All right. Right, breaking resistance right here. All we're looking for is momentum, right? It closed right here. All right, we're not too far from that buy signal. I know we've got purpose, support, and resistance, but that's fine. We're just looking for momentum stocks. All right, some trading opportunities. Good one here, but it's gone too far. Nice momentum, right? Nice movement. Okay, but it's gone too far. All right, good one here. All right, ARDX. ARDX. All right, broke out here. Buy signal came in right on a break of this resistance right here. Very nice trade. Look at the previous trades, guys. Buy signal here, sold here. Buy signal here, got out here. Buy signal here, break up this resistance. Perfect buy signal. Big candle, guys. Big candle. All right. So ARDX. All right. And that is at $3.82. $3.82. All right. All right. Stop me if you guys have any questions. All right. XERS. You don't have to trade all of them. Just find one or two. Just find a couple, guys. Okay. All right. You don't have to trade all of them. XERS, buy signal here, breaking resistance right here. Descent markdown phase. All right. Descent markdown phase. Buy signal right here. Breaking resistance. $1.45. All right. Boy, that's a nice one here, but it's moved up too far. All right. Buy signal came in here at 86 cents. It's at 185. It's just gone too far. This is what we want, these momentum stocks.
it's my baby. That's the only thing I'm holding right now in equities.
You holding which one?
The DHC. I got in on the buy.
You got in on the buy?
Yeah,
Good job, Dan.
yeah, that's the
Good
only thing
job.
I'm
Good
holding.
job.
I let go of everything else.
You let go. Okay, good. Um, your volume is still low. I don't know if it's on my end. And you got in on the buy signal. Look at that. Very nice trade. Good job, Dean. Good job. Let's take a look at the weekly here. Look at the weekly. It's just starting off. It's just now giving a green candle on the week, which was last week. So you've got a lot of potential. On the weekly, it fell from $22. Let's take a look at the monthly. Look at that monthly. Right. So you early in that trade. So if you got in on that buy signal, you're doing really good. All right. So you got in at about 87 cents, 90 cents, Din?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job. Just hold on to it, right? Hold on.
Hmm.
You do not have any you do not have any support and resistance lines.
Yeah.
Okay. So what that means is that it hasn't started to consolidate yet. So you just let it run. All right. You just let it move. This is a prime example of a momentum stock, right? Right. And we can find these stocks when the market is undecided, right? They've got to put capital somewhere, and I'm sure it has some fundamental, right, drive in it, but we don't care, right? So don't do anything, just hold on to it, when it starts to consolidate, right, you'll get your support and resistance lines. All right, then you can start paying closer attention to it. All right, good job. And then you can scale up on a break of resistance once you get your new support and resistance lines. All right, good job, good job, good job, good job. So we can't do anything there. That's look at that one here, moving up, nice momentum. All right, this one here, we looked at this LA. That's the one we're in already. All right, that's the one we're trading already. That one's gone. And that one is gone. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. All right, Bullmaster. So this is Stock Boss. All right. I love this. I love doing this. All right. Because you know CENX. All right. Buy signal 1290. 1290. Okay. Right. Don't worry about the fact that these are momentum stocks. So don't worry about getting them at the bottom of your chart here, right? We're not catching a new rotation, right? We're not catching the sectors. All we're looking for right now, momentum stocks. All right. So we're capturing, trying to catch the next move, right? Okay. So buy signal came in here at 1190. It's at 1290 right here. You could trade calls or you could trade the underline. All right. All right. Another one here where we talked AXON. We had that already. All right. From last week. Right. Yep. From last week. So we're ready in that one here. Nice momentum stock, but too far. Buy signal was here. It's all the way up there. So make notes of these guys. All right. Look at this here. Doesn't look great. The chart isn't perfect, but look here. All right, it's getting ready to break through that resistance. Buy signal here, right? Very choppy in here, but look here, it's breaking resistance here. Okay, and that is CHX, right? $32. You can look for calls, right? Nice thing here, it's got really good resistance, right? Really good resistance, and it's breaking that resistance. All right. Okay. All right. Nice momentum here. It's already left right here. Buy signal here. It's moving higher. This one here. Look at this one here. Yeah, it's gone too far. Buy signal 143. It's at 155. All right. DXCM. Again, I'm giving you guys a lot here. You don't have to trade all of them. You can look for the best ones. Okay. Be careful though. Still be careful. You guys know that. All right. So it's breaking out of this resistance here. Right. Breaking out of resistance. 122.92. Okay. You can look for calls. All right. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right, this one is breaking out. You see the price action here, guys? You see where it's pushing higher, breaking out, right? So MYGN, all right, $23.26. Broke resistance here. This is where it failed before, failed here before. Now it's breaking out. Buy signal right here, and that's breaking out, okay? That's gone. That's really gone. That's gone. Win is gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. CR, who is in crowd? Who is in CRWD? Someone is in CRWD. Who's in CRWD? All right. That's a good one. CRWD. CRWD. Okay. It's not really a move. I mean, it's moving higher. I wouldn't call it a momentum because it's not, spiking up, but it's a good one. It's getting ready to break out here. Okay. So CRWD 126. Good one for calls. CERT. Here's another one. We have quite a bit, guys. CERT. Buy signal right here. Buys are coming, pushing it higher, right? See that momentum coming in? Okay. CERT. All right. 21.43. Cheap enough to trade the underline. And then another one here. This isn't too far gone. Buy signal came in at 186. It's at 220. All right. But you have to get in early on that quickly. So FSLR, okay, at 210. All right. If the market opens up tomorrow, strong holds, right, we could see these stocks really take off. Okay. All right. So that's all we've got for that. Now, Forex. Monster Scalper. And then we'll take a look at Forex Dominator. Okay, we've got about 10 more minutes here, but we might go a bit longer. Okay. All right. Earlier Wednesday, we should be out of these. Let's see here. SG, right? We should be out of All right, we should be out of SGD JPY long. We should be out of that. USD CZK. USD CZK. All right. USD CZK. All right. We should be out of that. I think that was on the 60-minute. That was right here. We should be out of that. All right. EUR TRY, and it was pretty rough trading. We should be out. Here was the buy signal to go long. We should be out of that. Okay. EUR SEK, right? 60 and 240. Here's the 60-minute. We should be out of it. If you're trading it on the 240, 1 second here, on the 240, EUR SEK. All right. If you're trading it on the 240, you can still hold it here. All right. Still holding. All right. Hopefully look to test this resistance. Okay. So EUR SEK, you can still hold it on the 240. EUR HKD. EUR HKD. All right. On the 240, we should be out. On the 60-minute, we should be out. Okay. All right. Now, Thursday picks. On Thursday, CAD yen. CAD yen on either the 60-minute or 240. Now, we'll probably move, guys, as to just the 240 and not too much on the 60, right? We don't, monster scalper, we like to trade on the 240. But I want to give you guys some opportunities. All right, so CAD yen on the 60-minute. This is long. Okay, CAD yen. Okay, we should be out right here. The sell signal right here, right? Here was the buy. Here was the sell. We should be out of that here. All right. All right. So here was the buy. Here was the sell. We should be out. Okay. That's CAD yen. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD. 240. Right. 240. Let's see it. All right. New Zealand CAD. Where is it? New Zealand CAD right up here. On the 240, you guys can still hold it. All right. New Zealand CAD, right? No red candles, holding support right here. Holding support. Watch it though, because it's still trading near that support. You guys get a red candle, get out. All right. Get out. Green candles though. You got green candles holding. So hopefully moves higher, starts to test this resistance. But holding support, it's holding support. So New Zealand CAD and then New Zealand dollar. And this was tricky, right? This was tricky. I was working with one of our traders on Friday, and this candle here came all the way down, a red candle right below support. All right. And she went ahead. I told her, go ahead and close it. Okay. If you guys, you can do that, but just be careful, right? Be careful. All right. Because sometimes they will hold like this, but when that price is, when that price is coming down like this, even if it has a red candle, doesn't close, still just protect your capital, right? Protect your capital. Even if you take that loss right there, right, it can still go lower. That's tricky, right? When it's in the middle of that candle and it's going from white to red. All right, white to red. Okay. So that's dollar, New Zealand dollar. It is still holding, but just be careful. All right, be careful with that. Okay. So let's take a look at, so we've got the picks for Stock Boss and Bull Master. Lots of picks. Okay. But again, be careful. Just find one or two guys to trade. Don't trade all of them. Okay, one or two. So let's look at what's developing here, and we're going to focus on the 240. Okay, and we'll take a look at Forex Dominator. Okay, and then we'll be done. I'll open the floor for questions, and then we'll be done. I'll go over the ZAR pairs also. The yen pairs, nothing with the yen pairs, guys. Nothing with the yen pairs. Okay. Dollar ZAR, we should be out of the dollar ZAR on the 240. All right, on the 240 here. Great trade. I know, Dean, you cut this trade right here. All right. Dollar ZAR, good job. All right. Sell signal here, red candles. Be careful. All right. Be careful. It's looking to test support. So we could get sellers could really come in, but we should be out of this on the 240. All right. That's dollar ZAR. Did anyone take this trade? USD MXN, the short trade. Did anyone take this short trade?
No, I didn't get that one.
No. This was a great trade. Great trade. Great trade. Okay. Even on the, it's got sell. I almost sent it out. All right. On the 60-minute time frame, really had a good entry. On the 240, had a good entry. And then on the daily, had a good entry. Okay. USD MXN. It's too late to get in, though. So nothing with the dollar pairs right now, guys. Look at this. A lot of confusion, right? All right. And then some of these trades are already closed. So nothing there. Euro ZAR, we should be out. Euro ZAR 240, we should be out of that trade, that long trade. All right. And good job, Dean. I know you traded that also. All right. We don't have a lot right now, guys, in Forex. We just don't. All right. Very choppy. Very choppy. Very choppy. Right? So I would say wait on Monster Scalper, guys. Just wait. Let the trades come to us, okay? Just wait. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator here. And we will put this system to work. All right, Forex Dominator. Okay, USD, JPY. All right, and that is at 135.83, and that is in Forex Dominator. Remember, Forex Dominator, daily time frame, guys. Okay. USD JPY. TRY. I would say wait for it to get above 7. If it can get above 727, okay? So 727. All right. That's an entry here. All right. Let it get, we need more buying to come in. TRY, JPY. There could be a move setting up in Monster Scalper. But same thing here. SGD, JPY, we needed to get above 101. We just want to get it above the high here. They have buy signals, okay? So 101.60. So I would say just watch these. Don't trade them, just watch them. To get above the previous high. And we'll know.
With two.
What's that, then?
I'm kind of in a holding pattern with two on the daily.
Okay. Are you in them or are you watching them?
I'm into CAD JPY.
CAD.
Yeah.
CAD JPY and which one?
USD SGD.
USD SGD. Okay. Those are the only two?
Euro ZAR. Those are the three.
Euro ZAR. Okay. We'll take a look at those. Okay. But yeah, these are set. They all have buy signals right here. Okay. So we just need more. We just need more buying to come in. JPY. And if you guys look here, look at this. All green except all blue and up except for one. And that's good. All right. New Zealand yen. I wouldn't do anything there. Very, very choppy. That buy signal looked like it's failing there. Same thing with HKD. HKD JPY. We just needed to get above 1744. 44. So just watch them. Pound yen. Pound yen. I would stay away from pound yen. Okay. Very, very choppy. Right. We want them like this. Clean markdown phase right here. Nice clean markdown phase. Buyers coming in. That's what we want. Pound yen. Look at that. That's a complete mess. We don't want that. Okay. We don't want that. Euro yen, same thing here. So pound yen, euro yen, stay away. All right. Swiss yen looks better. All right. So we'll put that Swiss. And it needs to get, I would say, let's get it above 145.87. Okay, 145.87. All right, and then we'll take a look at your CAD yen right here. So you in it, nice markdown phase. Okay, just watch it. What if you get a white candle, just be careful because this is on the daily time frame, guys. Okay, on a daily time frame. So we have to be very careful because they can move fast on that daily time frame. So watch it. We need it to hold. All right. All right, we needed to get above there. Okay, so CAD yen. And if the markets move higher, right, the yen pairs tend to, right, follow the equity markets. Not all the time, but usually does. So that's 162. And then Aussie yen, I wouldn't do anything here with Aussie yen. Okay. So you had Euro ZAR, Euro ZAR here. Didn't you in it in Forex Dominator, Euro ZAR?
Yeah, yes, I'm on that one.
What was your entry? Where was your entry? Near the buy signal on this one?
Yeah, it was on the buy signal.
Oh, good job. Good job. This is exactly how we want to trade Forex Dominator. So good job. So your buy signal was here and it's all the way up here. Good job. So just hold. You know what we need to do? It might test this moving average, right? And then bounce back. Okay. But you know, we have sell signals on those 240. So what I would do, I would keep two charts, one on the 240, one on that daily. All right, and then just watch that price action on because if you here, right, if you got in here, you don't want to give back all of your profits, you know, if selling comes in. Okay, that makes sense, then.
Yes, yes, yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
it's tricky, you know, it's really tricky. But just keep an eye. Here it is on the 240, and you've got it on the daily. I would just bring in like a support line right here, and your hope is that it holds this support. I mean, it's trying to right here, right? Hopefully, you can get a white candle, right? It's consolidating right at support. This is pretty good support too. Okay, this is pretty good support. So, but you've got red candles. They can come in heavy, push it down, and that's going to bring down, right? Bring it down in here, give you a white candle, and all of a sudden, right? It's eating up your profits. Now on that, you really have to be strong to trade on that daily time frame.
Mhm.
All right, you really have to be strong because
I
what's that?
yeah, I messed up on the USDs. I was holding both Eurozar and USDZar.
Hmm.
On the USDZar, I had a sell signal on the 240. So then I got out on the day. I was trading on the daily, so I got out even though it didn't have a sell signal on the daily.
Yeah, yeah. So now when the markets are really moving, if you guys look here, Forex Dominator, just like we do with Monster Scalper, we only have 22 pairs out of 57 pairs that are above 20. Okay. So you know we don't have a lot of big movements in Forex Dominator, but there are opportunities, right? They're isolated opportunities. Um, so just watch it. Just watch it. Just watch it. Watch it. Keep it just like I did here. Keep it on that. Keep it on. Keep it. Keep it at 240 in Monster Scalper. All right. Watch that price action here on that 240. This is your trading window right now. This is your trading window right now. This is what you need to watch. Okay. And your hope is that it holds support, get a white candle, and then you can breathe easy. Okay. You can breathe easy. But that's your level right here. That's your level. Okay. And this is where you got to sell and exit exit signal before, right here, buy signals here, and then buy, right, took a loss here. So this area right here, Dean, this area right here is critical. So traders are watching this. So if it breaks down, they might come in heavy, okay? But okay, so watch it. Eurozar. Eurozar. Did we go over CAD yen? Your other one here, CAD yen, in Forex Dominator. We're almost done, guys. We'll go a little longer. CAD yen long, CAD yen long, right? Okay, same thing. We needed to get above here. Okay. I have to say this. Keep an eye on it in Monster Scalper. This is your area right here. Okay, this is your area right here. Okay, given the condition of the markets right now, right? We have to be cautious. Okay, so you got red candles here, looking to test support right here. CAD yen on the 240. So don't just stay in on that daily. Don't just stay in right on that daily, because that 240 selling in the 240 will turn that your daily time frame in Monster Scalper in Forex Dominator. Okay, but your hope is, guess what? You get a white candle, right? It's still holding the buy signal here, struggling to hold it. But again, you've got support right here. You've got pretty good support right here. But again, if it's you get selling to come in, guess what? Right? That could really push you down. So don't just hold it. And as we trade Forex Dominator, right? As we trade Forex Dominator, you will learn how to trade it. We'll go over how to trade it. All right. Ideally, we want them to move up, right? Move up quickly, like here, and give us some cushion. All right. And they're not doing that with these yen pairs yet. They're not doing that. Okay. We want them to move up, give us some protection. Okay. Kind of like this here. And the last one was dollar SGD. Okay. Nice markdown phase. I mean, good job. Right. Nice markdown phase. This one is holding, right? No concern here yet. Okay. Green candles holding nicely, right? It's not trading near support, right? Your hope is it's, starts testing this resistance, just a little pullback. Okay. But nice markdown phase. Nice markdown phase. We do need that dollar index, right? We do need the dollar index, okay, to give a buy signal and break this area in here. All right. So good job. Good job. All right, guys. So you guys have some picks, right? A lot of good opportunities in equities, especially if we can get some buy-in to come in tomorrow and into the week. We could see some of those stocks move up. Okay. The yen pairs are the only pairs we've got right now, and basically in Forex Dominator. But we need them to break some recent highs to move higher. Okay, so be careful with Monster Scalper. We didn't see anything. Are you guys anything else you trading? Anyone else trading Monster Scalper? Any symbols you guys are in Monster Scalper? Any symbols you guys are in? No one's trading Monster Scalper? Okay. All right. Just be careful. All right. Just be careful. Bill, keep an eye on your US 30, you don't have any support and resistance lines yet. Okay, so nothing to worry about. Okay, just when you get those support and resistance lines, then you can pay closer attention. But you might have to watch it overnight. All right, a little. All right. Okay. All right, guys, that's it. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow, and then we'll review these trades, these picks, and then we'll look for more. Hopefully, we'll have some opportunities in Monster Scalper tomorrow. Okay, and keep an eye on Sniper. We'll see. Hopefully, we can stay longer in these Sniper trades. Okay, so these Sniper trades this evening we looked at here. Okay, so hopefully. Um, and I'm excited about this. Those of you who trade in Sniper, okay, go ahead and put it on a 240-minute time frame, okay? And you can do that by right-clicking on the chart, go to time frame, customize, all right? Go ahead and put in 240 here, select your minute, right? Minute, put in 240 and 3 months. Don't touch anything else, right? So put in if you're trading on a 60-minute time frame, okay? Or sometimes what you can do, just go ahead and do 60-minute, just type in and it will change it here, or 240. 240, enter right there on the chart, and that will change it too. That's quicker to do it that way. All right. All right, okay, awesome. All right, guys, take care, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.